Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, we are the first group. We would like to presentate our discussion about the first material is sorry, sir.
Okay, continue.
We would like to presentate about definition and function of media. Okay, the first is definition of learning media. Learning media is everything that can be used to convey a message or information in the teaching and learning process, so as to stimulate students' attention and interest to learn. Okay. According to Gagné and Briggs, 1975 in Arshad, explicitly said that the medium of learning includes tools that are physically used to convey the contents of teaching materials. From both nations, media is still used to convey learning materials.
Next, characteristic of learning media. According to Arshad, 2016, page 6, the common characteristics contained in learning media are as follows. 1. Learning media has a physical sense that today is known as hardware, which is an object that can be seen, heard, or tested with the five senses. 2. Learning media has a non-physical understanding known as software, which is the content of messages contained in the hardware that is the content that wants to be conveyed to students. 3. The emphasis of learning media is on visual and audio. 4. Learning media can be used en masse, e.g. radio, television, large groups and small groups, e.g. films, slides, video, OHP, or individuals, e.g. modules, computer, radio tapes, and video recorders.
The objective of learning media. One of the series of learning media objective as started by Cam and Dayton in Arshad 2060, page number 25 is 1. The delivery of the subject matter becomes more standard. 2. Learning can be more interesting. 3. Learning becomes more interactive. 4. The quality of learning outcomes can be improved if there is synergy and integration between material and media. 5. Learning can be provided anytime and anywhere.
Types of learning media. The types of learning media are categorized by series and raising in Arshad as follows. 1. Green technology media, audiovisual technology media, computer-based technology driven media, combined media.
Function of learning media. According to Levy and Lenz in Arshad Azhar, profit the four functions of the media, especially visual media. First is attentive function. Function attentive visual media is a core that is interesting and directing students to focus attention to the context of subjects. Second is affective function. Function affective visual media can be seen from the comfort level when students learn or read the text image. The third is cognitive function. Cognitive functions of visual media seen from the findings of research which visual symbol or picture expedite achievement of the goal to understand and remember the information or message contained in the image. And the last is function compensatories. Function compensatories seen from the result of research that the media provide a visual context to understand the text, to help students weak in reading, to organize information in the text and remember it again.
Okay, next. One of the series of function according to Sujana is as follows. First, tools to clarify teaching materials at the time delivers the lesson. Tools to resolve house problems to be studied for partner and solved by in the learning process. And the last, learning resource of student. Next. Okay, this is name of the member of group 1. First, Aan Rahmawati. Second, Abdul Falik Habinawa. And 3, Adinda Mustika Ajahro. 4, Adinda Nuril Ramadhani. 5, Adinda Sulasyananita. And the last, Aditya Trisukma Nugraha. Okay, guys, do you have a question?
Oke ya, very good ya. Sebelum before QA ya, question answer ya. Intinya kita ini aja sharing, diskusi ya. Saling support ya, the QA ya. Nah, tapi sebelumnya ya, untuk presentasi ke depan nanti gunakan bilingual ya, 2 bahasa ya. Jadi bahasa Inggris dulu ya, to practice our tongue in English ya. Kemudian ada translation ya, jadi menerjemahkan sedikit ya. Intinya benang merahnya ya. Oke, jadi untuk ke depan bisa menggunakan bilingual ya. Oke, intinya ya bahwa the best media is the teacher itself ya. Jadi emang media yang paling baik itu adalah gurunya sendiri ya itu. Jadi artinya bahwa the best teacher can accommodate all the students ya. Jadi misalnya gurunya itu suka bergaul ya, artinya dekat dengan siswa, curhat-curhatan ya gitu kan. Nah, mungkin banyak guru yang pintar ya, tapi seolah-olah dengan siswanya berjarak lah ya, agak jauh ya. Tapi yang biasa-biasa aja ya, tapi dia sering ngobrol gitu ya, diskusi dan sebagainya dengan siswanya, mungkin responnya lebih ke guru tersebut ya, meskipun dia ngajarnya nggak terlalu ini ya, tapi guru murid-muridnya senang ya. Dan bahkan bisa jadi media apapun senang diikuti oleh murid ya, apabila si gurunya ini sangat dekat dengan siswanya. Jadi emang our handbook ya, how to be close ya to the student ya, when we are teaching English later ya. Jadi emang tugas kita kadang-kadang bagaimana sih supaya kita bisa dekat ya dengan siswa-siswi kita ya, sehingga kita tahu karakteristiknya ya, dan apa yang kita sampaikan diterima ya oleh mereka.
Pause dulu ya. Bentar. Oke, guys. Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan lagi, akan saya tutup. Thank you very much for your great attention. And the last, I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.